Alright, this is the husband's part to Cruise Wars, like I promised. This is everything I showed you that was going in the suitcase for our 7-day Caribbean cruise. Now my husband's going to show you what he would take, because he says I pack way too much. Here he goes.
Alright, I'm not going through your stuff because that would cause a divorce. So all of that stuff that's yours goes in 5 bags. This will pack all my stuff in right here. That's all I need. Let's see here. You said this is mine that you packed.
Yes. You gotta just unzip it. It's fine. You don't do that till later. Just pull the zipper part. That's just to close it. You don't unzip it.
Evidently you childproof. And this does not look like mine.
No, I borrowed your section because I ran out of mine.
I'll be taking these.
I ran out of mine.
That's another thing I cannot wear. I guess that is mine.
That is yours. That's your dress shirt.
Wrinkled.
Yeah, well.
I'm glad they got iron on board. What's the jacket for?
Because it gets cold in the dining room and at night and sometimes in where you watch the shows.
I didn't get cold on any of our cruises. Let's see. You took that shirt. That can be for swimwear or whatever. That's for women to dress up nice. So many shirts.
You have a 7-day cruise. You come back on an 8th day.
Okay.
You're going to be going to the pool in the daytime.
Those are not mine.
I told you I had to borrow some of yours. My space ran low.
That's not mine.
But see, you'll need that kind to go around the pools and stuff, and then you'll need something dressier to go to the dining room.
It's vacation. This was like 3 weeks worth of clothes.
It's just...
Man. Alright. No blue jean shorts, huh?
You have your blue jean shorts I'm going to pack later because you only have a couple of pair and you wear them every day. So that's not all your clothes.
With these, just to wear around, huh? There's 3. Where's my swim trunks? Wear my shirt down on one of our cruises there. Swim trunks. And I have a new pair somewhere.
Right here.
But my new pair will go. What color did you buy? Let's see. move away. There's 2 swim trunks. And now I guess I do want to be other. Got 2 dress-up nights.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe we'll just have one. That shirt and those pants. Or that shirt and those pants. Oh, I had another pair of dress pants.
No, I didn't do another pair of dress pants. Just the one.
That. It don't bother me. Alright, that's all for 7 days right there. Let's see. Maybe this. I like this shirt. No clashes. But it don't matter. Alright, now all I need is 7 pair of underwear. Where did my underwear go?
I haven't packed them yet, baby. You still got to wear those.
Alright, 7 pair of underwear.
Socks.
Socks because my feet get cold. Then I need deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste.
I got that in the bag for our hotel night.
And I guess I need to shave, huh? I guess I'll shave. Let's see.
What about your shoes?
I'll be wearing a pair of shoes.
Dress shoes?
Maybe just 1 pair of dress shoes.
Well, what about the shoes for the water, the excursion?
Those are thin. I guess I can put in my bag. But then my important papers, the documents get on the ship. Since I can't take my gun, guess I won't be able to use that.
Well, what about medicine? You get headaches, you get...
I guess I have to deal with the headaches. Because the less room that goes in there, the less I have to take on. And then I got to deal with all this stuff here. And I think that'll be all I can carry. I don't need to carry anything. Now, you want me to pack yours?
Yeah, go ahead. What would you pack for me?
Well, 7 bras and panties. I would pack you 2 bathing suits. They're female, but I can pack all of it in one bag, one of the big luggage bags. 5 outfits, regular outfits, 2 for outfits will make 7 for your 2 dress-up nights. I guess you have to have makeup. We can put that in the bag.
Or my jewelry.
A pair of shoes for walking. I guess your dress-up shoes, you can get a pair that goes with both outfits so it won't be taking up as much. Your important papers. You can take your camera stuff.
What about our door?
You walk in and out of it.
We're going to decorate it, aren't we?
Maybe you can buy some spray paint and we just do the graffiti on the door.
No, you can't do that.
Well, maybe a little bit of that. We might end up in 2 big bags, but it won't take that much. And then when you buy all this good stuff going to these new places, we would just throw away our clothes and put all our stuff we're bringing back in our bag, and we can buy more clothes. So I hope you get rid of some of your clothes. I'll buy me more clothes. You don't need more. And then I guess your jewelry, we can keep it. And you can take it with you, but it would not take. You're wanting to take 2
big bags and 2 backpacks.
It won't take all that. It'll take maybe a bag and a backpack. And I can put all of it in there.
Okay, go ahead and put that in your backpack.
Let me show you how to fold this stuff to put it in there. This is how you do it. We're going to do a tight fit roll. Can't tell you where I learned this. Been a while. But look at it. That didn't take up much room at all, did it? And then you can do each individual item just like that in a tight fit. Watch this. It even works for shorts. Look at there. How much room did that take up? Not much room at all. And I bet you I can do all this, put it in there, and it won't even add up to half the bag. Then I have room for my shoes and my other items, because it's got bunches of room in here. Bunch of room.
You know, we're going to do a video on the backpack in a little bit.
So I guess that would be all it takes for now, so. What's next?
What about your hamper for your clothes? And your beach bag?
What they make bags for. They make garbage bags.
What about your cups?
I don't need cups.
You don't want to use those little cruise cups?
Well, see, we're into taking less as possible.
What about the stuff I got for glow night?
Those are just little items. You might can fit it in there. If not, then don't go. It's part called vacation and you enjoy yourself.
Okay, well, you see how my husband would pack his bags. But now, we'll show you what actually goes later. Bye.